Action!
Dads and daughters, welcome back to the Daddy-Daughter Dance channel, where we help you to create long-lasting connection with your daughter. We use our daddy-daughter time.
To teach for your daddy-daughter time.
I'm Brad the Dad.
I'm Eva.
Matea the Magnificent.
We're just going to call this Dancing with Us. We're going to put all the Charleston stuff together. We'll have some words going across somewhere, and that way you can do it with us. Maybe at the end we'll get a faster song and see what you can do on your own. I hope you enjoy.
Yeah.
Well.
Action!
Okay, so Eva and I are, well, first of all, Matea's ankle is hurting, so she might do a bit of dance, we'll see. Extraordinary soccer player, blah, blah, blah. Turns out they do other things than dance. So Eva and I are just going to demo really quickly everything you've learned up till now. We're going to teach one extra turn for the daughters, which really isn't any different than footwork we've done. We just didn't put it in the last video, which we thought we did. So everything we've done up till now, you're on this side, it's going to look like this. This is your side-by-side Charleston. Forward, forward, back, back, forward. Then we get into old style. Do, boom, boom. Whether you want to do your twisting feet or not is up to you. Boom, ha. Then we bring her back to old style. Boom. Then we did our turns, our spins sort of, or our touch, touch, and back, forward, forward. When we also did that for the dads in old style, we're going to turn so you can see us. We also did that for the dads, and boom, forward, touch, touch, and back, forward, forward, and back, and back. Now we can also do, I think we called it the yo-yo, just boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom. Here, if you want to have the hand, is fine. If not, do it that way, boom, ha. And that is everything that we have learned up till now. What are we adding?
We are adding a follows turn.
In what move? What sort of position?
We are in old style.
Old style.
And it's pretty much the exact same footwork as when we did our turns this way. Just you're going to do it with a partner. So, you're going to go forward, back, and then point, point, and then back to forward.
But you don't let go.
Yeah.
The dad is leading it. It's from here. See how my arm preps? Boom. And around her head. Boom. Go ahead. Touch. Touch. Back. So dads, your footwork is the same the whole time, okay? But you have to lead around her head, okay?
It's as if you're stirring a pot of stew.
There you go. That's the number one thing. If I just lift the hand up, who's supposed to turn here? And which way? Does she turn that way or this way? You don't know. But if I take my hand and go around, that's going to tell her which direction and how to do it. And you want to be close to their head, not way up high.
And not too low, because then they're going to have to bend over.
That's a very good tip, both of those. All right, so that's the new move, and we're going to get started dancing. We decided to put together a little routine. We're going to walk through it with you. We start in the side-by-side basic Charleston position. We do 4. Back, forward, forward and back, forward, forward and back, forward, forward and 3, back, forward, forward and old style, back, forward, forward and back, forward, forward and 2, and back, forward, forward and back,
3.
and sorry I'm talking to the yo-yo, here we go, and 2 of these, 1, 2 in the old style basic, okay, here's your basic, dad's turn, it goes to the stomach. So we're just going to turn for this part so you can see it. So after our yo-yo, we go into old style, and we're going to do the dad's turn. So basic, boom, dad's turn, and basic again. Here's the daughter's turn, the new move. Boom, around, touch, touch, and boom, old style into side by side. Okay? And we're going to turn again to get to you. So after old style into side by side, you'll do 1 basic, and then you do your individual touch turns. Touch, touch, and together repeats the whole thing. There's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. and it just goes through. So we'll have the words up with it, and that's our little routine. We're gonna do it with the music a couple of times. Okay, get together, side by sides. Here goes our 4.
1, 2, 3.
Old style.
1, 2, 3,
Yo-yo, coming up.
4.
2 of these. In the old style, stay there for basic. Dad's turn, stomping around, basic. Daughter's turn, boom, touch, and old style. Into side by side, and boom, boom, and turns. Old style, this is the first one of the beginning.
2,
Side by side.
3.
Old style after this one, there you go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Into yo-yos. 1, 2 of them. 2, basic. Here comes the dad's turn. Boom, and basic. Here's the daughter's turn. Into side by side. Here's the free turn. Touch, touch, and back. This is the first one of the whole set again. 2. See how we're turning around? We're doing it so you can see. But you should practice this old style. Here we go, yo-yo. Old style, 1 basic. Here comes the dad's turn, the song's gonna end. Basic. Daughter's turn. 1 basic, old style, side by side, and basic. Open turns. That was perfect. It ended at the right time. We're gonna revisit our very first song from our first video in Charleston 1. And we'll put that in the description, and you guys can practice to that and see if you can get faster. Why are you so far away? When we're just in this position, my hand is around a bit further. But here we go. Side by side, basic, and another one, halfway there. Third one, last one into, what is it? That's right, old style. Here's the second one. Third. Here's the fourth one. In the yo-yo. It's a fast one. Ha. Boom. Old style. Here's that dad's turn. Old style. Daughter's turn. Old style into side by side basic. Everybody turns. Basic. It's the beginning again. 2, 3, 4. Old style. We're turning for you. You should turn too, just because it helps learn. Yo-yo. I think I made them off by 1. 1 old style and dad's turn. That was different, wasn't it? Daughter's turn. Into side by side. Everybody turns. All skate, do what you want. Another type of Charleston we haven't taught yet.